Hey, we've got my lovely wife, Shannon. Shannon, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Shannon. All right. Shannon, tell us what you're doing, baby.
I'm putting the weather stripping on my trunk lid for my 67 Mustang.
And tell us about the chemical you're using.
I huffed it already.
I can tell.
It's the 3M Auto Black Weather Strip Adhesive.
Let's get a good picture of that. All right. So we're going to see if this product works good today. So what we're doing is we're replacing the weather stripping on her trunk for her 67 Mustang. Obviously, that same would probably apply for 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Different cars. You get where I'm going with this. All right. Tell us what you're doing, babe.
I got to put, oh geez,
Ooh,
I got to
look.
put a bead right in the channel.
Mm-hmm.
And then you basically just go as far as you want.
You guys getting this? Bead in the channel.
Bead in the channel.
All right, gentlemen, write this down because we know we're bad with directions.
Bead in the channel.
Bead in the channel.
All right, and then you put it on the flat side
Okay.
of, can you see?
Yeah, let me see. Show us what you're doing.
All right. So the opening goes to the inside of the trunk. The outside is that the flat part is what you put the adhesive on as well, because that's what's going to stick to the bead that you put.
Show us that bead size too. See how that looks.
I just put a bunch on it. It's what I did with the door stripping. I just put a good amount to cover it all.
Okay.
And then basically after you do that, you want to let it get tacky
Okay.
for a couple seconds, like 30 seconds or so, until both sides get tacky. And then you can stick them together and then tape them.
Awesome. Let's see how she's doing that there. Shannon, tell us what you're doing.
I'm just putting I've already glued the two pieces, and then you just got to tape it down so it sits, because otherwise it's been rolled in a ball in the package, so you kind of have to get it to sit flat. Which actually, they make it look so much easier on the other videos. It's not very good at sitting flat. And then you should leave it for, like they said, overnight.
Okay. Overnight.
So it sits all
All right. How's it coming?
the way. Good. It's not sticking as, like I said, easy as they said on the other videos. So I'm just trying to make sure it gets real tacky before I start moving on. You almost kind of need like clamps and little shims to hold it down.
All right, Shannon, tell us what we got here.
All right, I finished, and I trimmed and I just have it all taped. It's really hard to tape around the corners and then up here, but all down here was really, really simple. So I'm just gonna let it sit and cure, I guess, how it is. And then I'm just putting weight where the seam is that I want that to stick really, really well. And then we'll see how it turns out tomorrow.
Awesome. Okay, hold on. All right, we're on.
Good smile.
Yeah.
My bad.
All right, now tell us about the finished product, just so I can add that.
All right, I glued it all, taped it all, and it's been sitting for a few weeks now. And then I actually bought fender bolts, a kit from Kentucky Mustang, because it has these clips that go on here, and then you put the bolt through the hinge and into here. Otherwise, it's just a hole, so it's got the fitting and everything.
All right, so we're going to do that now, and then we'll put it on.